Ladies and gentlemen, the Highway Hills Integrated School Clean Water and Sanitation Campaign. Implement practical solutions like water stations, install water refill stations to reduce plastic waste, hand washing stations, set up stations with soap and water to promote hygiene, and rainwater harvesting, implement systems to collect and use rainwater. Let's educate students and staff about the importance of clean water, promote water conservation and hygiene practices. Form a planning committee that include teachers, students, and parents. Develop educational content like workshops and seminars. Conduct sessions on personal hygiene, the importance of hand washing, and proper sanitation practices. Classroom lessons. Integrate sanitation topics into the science and health curriculum. Visual aids. Create posters, flyers, and videos to display around the school. Engage the community. Newsletters and social media. Share progress and updates with the wider community. Partnerships. Collaborate with local businesses or NGOs. Focus on water issues. Parent involvement. Encourage parents to participate in events and discussions. Sanitation inspections. Conduct regular checks to ensure toilets, washrooms, and drinking water facilities are clean. Cleanup drives. Organize school-wide cleanup events for classrooms, playgrounds, and other common areas. Identifying areas with poor sanitation, gathering data on health issues related to poor sanitation. By engaging students in a clean water campaign, you not only educate them about a critical issue, but also empower them to make a difference locally and globally.